Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss the market for today. How everybody doing? So, before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only, and we're not financial advisors. So, always do you due diligence before you put money on the line. So, this is out of the way. We've got interesting jump for SMX from yesterday jumped perfectly after we did the short yesterday around the 85, and now the price is going up like no other. Let me just show you guys. Yesterday, yes, we did the two update for SMX. The first one was around the 87. The second one, once we hit the 110 and we hit all the profit taken. And lastly, we did another update today in pre-market watch list here. We discussed the breakouts around 4,000, or around the 430, yes, 430. Let me just check here. Yeah, it was around around the 318. So this is where we tested the level and then we pull back down. SMX was really great yesterday and it's still great from yesterday. We're gonna discuss it for today. This is the main gainer, of course. We got mini stocks to watch. Let me just bring the chat over here. Okay, good morning, everybody. How everybody doing? Yes, Martin Apollo, SMX to Falala. Um, ABS, thank you for this suggestion. Everybody share our live streaming. This is really good to share our live streaming and, of course, spread the message everywhere. Thank you for the heads up. Great heads up for ABS Shamin. Thank you, brother. Turo, Unicorn Forest, spotted around the $6 desert. Martin Apollo, thank you for this update. We'll check Turo. SMX is insane, of course. Beyond Meat decrease, yes, shares this morning. Currently, right now is around the 98. Thank you, Karina, for updating the news for us. SGBX, yeah, looks interesting as well. Good morning, everybody. So yes, we got WHLR looking fantastic as well. Hit a huge resistance around almost the 8. Now it's pulling back toward the 5. We got RBRK. This one looking interesting as well, but not that interesting like JFBR. Yeah, JFBR is pulling back toward almost the 289. But yeah, number one is still SMX, guys. What a huge jump from yesterday. Let's see if we have another dip for today. I'm watching for another dip here. Yeah, around the 182. Beyond Meat, nothing much is neutral for today. ARBT jumping 19%. Can I update the levels or lower our watch list because we have a lot. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way in. IMG have a reverse split, everybody. TGL the same, MTVA. We got BAVs. Let's see this one if it's good. Yeah, Bav's looking fantastic right now, but it's getting near a major resistance now around 51. Yeah, it looked really interesting for a reversal, guys. Yeah, look really interesting. Nobody told me about it. So I'm gonna keep it first here because it's tested our resistance. It might break at the market open around the 5 cents. Is a bit cheap. WHR, one of the stock that have reversed it, and now it's coiling back up. SMX still number one. From yesterday, huge squeeze. At the market open, we have to watch for the 244.79, guys. 244.79 should be the support if we don't want to have any surprises for today. The market is open. Let's get right to it, guys, and start the hunt for today. Welcome, BARC. Nice one. Yes. SMX looking great as well, guys. WHLR looking fantastic if it held the support. BI or BAVS, guys, broke the resistance, the 5 cent. So the best one right now is it is BAVS. BAVS looking great. BAVS, guys, looking fantastic right now. Is going toward the 6 cent. I'm gonna adjust the resistance just in case. Yeah, the main resistance right now is turned toward the 6 cent. This is the main level of resistance that we might test right now. SMX is pulling back, guys. If we held this support would be great for reversal, which is around 236 now. Watch out, SMX might flush if we broke the 236 and might get halted down. As a reminder, this one was great from yesterday, guys. If you don't know, we always do update daily. Once we finish our live streaming yesterday, we did SMX update twice. As we can see here on the 87. And after that, around the 110. It hit all the profit taken. And then we updated today. Yes, here around the 400. And now is better to watch because we might have a huge flush for it. If we broke, of course, the 85. But if we held the 85, would be great. Huge wick. Yeah, BAVS, what a huge jump, guys. So we got almost the 5 cent is the resistance and the 6 cent is the profit taking that we might go to. So BAVS is the strongest stock now. RBRK jumping up 27%. It is light on volume, so I don't like it that much. QCLS is flushing down. SMX started to reverse. As we said, we have a big buyer over the 236. That's why we didn't exit it from this trade. We having train stop right now for SMX around the 236. The other one, WHLR, $5 is really good support. BAVS, guys, broke the resistance. Now it's going to the second resistance around the $6 or 6 cent. Adjusting the support around the 4. Yeah, so far so good. BAVS with SMX are number one. TDIC, take it from the list, is a bit weak. Let's see, I forgot about Toro. Yeah, Toro looking interesting here. If we broke the 543, only if we broke the 543. Yeah, it look interesting here. Yeah, Toro, I'm gonna keep it on the list for the main gainers for today. SMX holding down. Okay, so we got a new thing for today, guys. Remember, we're gonna have all your questions answered in 15 minutes. The live streaming will switch to only members. So we're gonna extend our live streaming for today, Friday, and keep the live streaming going and answer all your question. In the 15 minutes from now, we're gonna switch to members only section. The same live streaming, so you don't have to do anything. So for now, BAVS, one of the top gainer, SMX, WHLR, Turo, GFBR, pulling back, IRBT. Whoa, we have a breakout, guys. IRBT looking fantastic here because it broke. It might go toward a really good resistance here around the 423. So watching it closely, IRBT, I'm gonna keep it on the main list here. Beyond Meat started to squeeze up, guys. Beyond Meat started to move. There's a huge buyer over the 116. Checking the market very quick. VS almost tested our resistance around the 6. SMX is pulling back. Watch out, guys. We might get halted down for SMX. It look a bit dangerous here. Yeah, IRBT guys looking strong right now. Watch out closely. We got interesting jump for IRBT. It's getting really close to the resistance. IRBT is getting near a major resistance. Let me just double check the top gainers for today. We got TGL have a reverse split, SMX getting near the support. The rest is not that good. Let me just double check the halted stock for today. We got GURE is halted. I think I took it from the list, and yeah, it's halted down. I don't like it. It's not that good. So yeah, BAVS looking good. WTHR, nope. So Toro is second, or IRBT is second. SMX, it might flush now, guys. Be careful. If we don't hold the 236.19 is me not good. I think there's a big seller right now around the 282. Huge seller just came around the 282. And if we broke here, we might have a flush. So watch out. SMX, it need to hold the 236 in order to reverse up. Waiting for the markets. Okay, I think we're breaking the support, guys. So I think it's better to exit from this trade for now. It's not wise to hold it. Yeah, broke the support right now for SMX. As we said, guys, SMX was fantastic yesterday. We discussed it twice on our Discord, and now it's pulling back. And of course, in the pre-market was better. That's why we did the update early on. It hit our profit around 309 and then pulled back now. Yesterday was better because the entry was way earlier, around 87.37 on our Discord. Now is around 233 and still pulling back down. WHLR, nothing much happening. Turo still didn't break out. IRBT is really strong. It's getting near the 423 squeeze zone. PAVS, I think it hit the resistance just below the 6 cent. As we discussed, guys, the 6 cent was the resistance. but we tested below. So IRBT now is getting really good. So we might put it first because it's getting strong. So I'm gonna put it first to that Toro WHLR, not that good, but still okay. So I'm not taking it from the list. SMX, yeah, still good for a dip. Beyond Meat, 6%, guys, looking fantastic here. And I think we have another trend forming here. Yeah, just around this white line. Yeah, we got a huge seller around this white line. Beyond Meat now already jumped is not good for entry because now it's testing the white line, which is a resistant. The best entry was just down around the 116, the bottom. But if you want to enter right now, the 116 should be a stop loss. Again, this is not a financial advice, guys, but it's better to be near the support or have an exit strategy for Beyond Meat. Yeah, TDIC, not bad as well. Checking the main stocks for today. Yeah, IRBT, guys, looking fantastic now. Is about to have a breakout. IRBT number one with Toro. We got really two good stocks now. And maybe TDIC, yes. We got three top stocks. Remember, guys, we're gonna go in 5 minutes, just 5 minutes from now, to continue our live streaming and do a Q&A for our members on YouTube. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna reply on all your questions, and of course, do the last check for the top gainers and the top chart update for the stocks for today in just less than 5 minutes. So stay tuned for that. For now, let me just do a little check for the market before we do that. TGL, guys, don't be excited about this one. It is reverse split price action, 1 to 20. Might be good for the next week. I will double check it later. SMX still going down. ARBT looking fantastic. Prax 39%. This one really interesting because we have a huge buyer here. Now is testing another level. So maybe I will add it to the list. Yeah, Prax. Maybe I will add it to the main list here. Yeah, Beyond Meat is pulling back, guys. And SMX is actually pulling back down. Yes, sir. We got a big seller, guys, around the 286.76. Huge seller that made the stock go down right now very quickly. Let's see here. Yes, sir. We have the 181.43. Yes, this is a huge seller place right now for SMX. SMX was really overextended for today. That's why I think one of our traders on Discord asked me about this in the pre-market about SMX is going crazy. And I said I will update it now because I think uh, it will lose momentum at the market open. And that's what happened exactly. SMX at the market open before even the market open. It lost momentum once we did this update. It hit almost the 400 and we went down very quick, really quick. Got shorted around the 440. Yeah, exactly around 130 we did the update. And you see here 130 exactly. And we talk about it around the 129. Look at this. 129 CET or Central European Time. Crazy, man. SMX was really crazy. Really crazy for today. And it's still going down now. Just double checking the halted stock for today. Yeah, TGL is still halted. GURE was halted down. WBD, IMG, but they're not good. They're not halted up or have enough volume to trade. So I'm gonna pass on this one. Okay, guys, the last 1 minute. We're gonna do 10 minutes Q&A for our membership traders on YouTube. So see you there, guys, in just 1 minute. The same live streaming, you don't have to change anything. And we're gonna continue our hunt over there and have all your questions and update the level for the stocks that we're trading now. And we do a watch list before we wrap up the trade for this week, because today we're gonna discuss the stocks that I'm watching before the market close for today, the latest chart update. We're going to discuss crypto price levels for them, swing trade for the next week, the swing trade that I'm trading and watching for the next week and today, in just 30 seconds from now, guys. So we're going to go and or start the Q&A later on. So see you guys in a bit, or the same live streaming. You don't have to change the link. It was a new thing right now YouTube did to have this available. So let's get the Q&A started. Yes, SMX guys, nice jump right now.